Welcome to lampsin.co.uk. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? It's an online store claiming to sell modern lighting fixtures like pendant lights, chandeliers, and LED ceiling lights. Basically, they sell everything you need to brighten up your home, or at least help you find the fridge during a midnight snack run. But the real question is this store actually legit, or are they just gaslighting us? Let's break it down so you know exactly what's going on before you reach for your wallet. The first thing I noticed is that they actually have a social media presence, which is more than I can say for my last blind date. With over 7,000 followers on Facebook and 6,000 on Instagram, there are plenty of people engaging with their posts. Usually, a following like this suggests the brand is real and people are genuinely interested in what they're peddling. They also provide a contact number and an email ID, meaning you can actually reach out if you have questions or problems. It's always reassuring when a company doesn't treat their customer service like a game of hide and seek. Another positive is the wide range of products they offer. They have lights for different rooms and styles, suggesting they actually care about variety rather than just dumping a single cheap product on the market. Now, let's talk reviews, because honestly, that's where the truth usually comes out to play. On Trustpilot, the feedback is a bit of a mixed bag. Many customers love the service, citing fast shipping, helpful support, and quick solutions when things go wrong. Some even mention missing parts being replaced almost instantly, which is a nice change from the usual scream into the void approach. However, not everyone is living in a bright wonderland. Some customers were disappointed with the product quality, claiming the lights felt cheap, didn't match the website pictures, or even broke within a year. It turns out that sometimes modern design is just code for fragile as a glass ego. A few people also mention long delivery times, so while the service is generally praised, the actual product quality can be a bit of a hit or miss gamble. So, is lampsin.co.uk legit? Yes, it appears to be. They have solid customer support, a real social media presence, and a massive selection. But like many online stores, you might want to manage your expectations when it comes to the actual build quality. Unless you enjoy the broken chandelier aesthetic, keep those expectations realistic. That's it for today. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates, tips, and honest reviews.